I'm here to represent my research paper about lack of speaking because I'm English. While hard work and good ideas are essential to success, your ability to express those ideas engage others. To express join you is just as important. Much of this verbal expression will be on one or in a small groups that periodically you will be involved you will be involved in more formal and public speaking in front of large numbers. If this thought makes you nervous, you are not alone. Many speakers lack the skills and confidence to make effective presentations. As we learned, either everyone experiences fright speech, anxiety, or talking terror. Survey shows that fear of speaking in front of groups is one of the greatest fears people have. Four basic steps for effective oral presentation. One, formulate structure for specific audience. Two, develop a flexible flowing structure. Three, combine prepared material with an enhancing, non-distracting presentation style. And the last, supplement the presentations with comfort, confirm responses to questions. That's all. Thank you.